Hello, myself Deepti Rangnani, Associate Professor Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today we will study the topic of thermodynamics, thermodynamic process. The process by which the system is changed from one state to another is called thermodynamic process, and the change in state of any system is carried out by the following thermodynamic processes. Number 1, isothermal process. Isothermal process is called Samtapi Prakram. What are the main properties of this process? That temperature should remain constant in each step. System can change heat from surroundings. In exothermic process, heat released to the surrounding, and endothermic process, heat absorbed by the surrounding. Number 2 is adiabatic process, that is Radoshma Prakram. In this process, system cannot exchange heat with surrounding. Temperature can be changed. Exothermic process, temperature increases, and in endothermic process, temperature decreases. Then number 3 is isobaric process, that is Samdabi Prakram. In this process, pressure should remain during the whole process. Pressure is remain constant. Number 4 is isochoric process, that is Samaytanic Prakram. In this process, volume should remain constant during whole the process. Number 5 is cyclic process. What is cyclic process? In this process, system initiate from initial stage to many other medium states and ends at last stage, and the process is called path of this whole the process is called path of the process, and system is last in final stage, system is approaches to initial stage, that is called cyclic process. Then what is path? Path is denoted by the equation that is seen in this last equation. 1 mole of water at which is in liquid state at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. By taking heat, it is converted to the 50 degrees centigrade water, 1 atmosphere pressure, and this process is continued by the absorbing the heat, and the water is converted into 75 degrees centigrade, then 100 degrees centigrade, and then water is vaporized and vapor form of 100 degrees centigrade at one stage at 1 atmosphere pressure, and this is called final stage. So this reaction show the path of reaction, that is water in liquid state at 25 degrees centigrade at 1 atmospheric pressure is converted into water in vapor state 100 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure, and this is called the path of this reaction. Then we will study what are reversible process and irreversible process. In any thermodynamic process, driving force is infinitesimally greater than opposing force, then the process is called the reversible process. In this process, the system is in equilibrium with surrounding always. Variables of the variables of states of the system is temperature and pressure, and this is infinitesimally greater than variable of state of surrounding. And what is irreversible process? In this process, driving force is much greater than opposing force, and this process is fast and spontaneous. See, the 3 cylinders are given in this figure. Figure number 1, 2 and 3. First figure, that is it is showed equilibrium stage when the applied pressure and pressure of gas is equal. In this cylinder, we see number 1 figure, we see that gas is filled in the cylinder having pressure P, and by this pressure piston is moved upward. But if we applied the pressure PA is equals to P, then the piston is not moved upward and its own position. So this is the equilibrium stage, PA is equals to P. In the second stage, The pressure of gas is P and applied pressure PA is infinitesimally small by dP by P. So PA is equals to P minus dP. In this system, in this process, this is called reversible process because the system is slightly move upward, and this process is called reversible process. In the last figure we will see that the pressure of gas is P and the applied pressure is much less than the gas of pressure, so the piston move upward. And in this process we will take it irreversible process because the pressure PA is much less than pressure P. So we will continue in the next lecture